Have you been wondering how you can make money online in 2025? Hi, welcome back to Money Moves with Matilda. Here I'm going to teach you how you can make money online in 2025 using just your phone and a stable internet. So if you're interested, if this sounds like you, if you want to make money online without stress, grab a notebook because this might just be the first step towards your financial freedom. So the first step is identify your passion. What's your passion? What is that thing that you really love to talk about? Yes, what do you love doing? What do you love to do? Do you love to talk? Do you love to draw? Do you love to dance? Do you love to... Whatever you love to do could just be the hidden secret. That is where your money is. Yes, your money might just be hiding in your passion. And I'm very passionate about turning our passions into money. And you're in the right place. I'm going to turn your passion into money. If you dance, you're going to get money. If you draw, you're going to get money. If you sing, you're going to get money. If you talk, you're going to get money. If you're tall, if you're beautiful, if you have long hair, what's your passion? What skill do you have? Let me help you to turn it into money. Having this alone, having a passion, because everybody has a passion. Having a skill. Hairdressers is a skill. Hairdressing is a skill. Do you know how to edit videos? It's a skill. So there is no way you tell me you don't have a skill. If you don't have a skill, let me know in the comment section and I'll help you identify it. Because I'm currently on a campaign of helping people discover their visions. What are you on earth for? I can help you to discover that if you're unable to discover it, or if you discovered it but you're not able to start, you're just in the right place. Just subscribe to my channel, like this video, always share it, and always I'll try to be uploading videos every day. Try to stick to my channel and I'm going to help you to turn your passion into money, to turn that skill that you have into money. And remember, if you have not discovered your skill, if you don't have a passion for anything, which I think everybody should have, don't worry, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be replying to every comment. And then secondly, choose a money-making model. Yes, choose a money-making model. Out of those skills, what do you prefer to do? Do you want to freelance? Freelancing is another way to make money online. How do you freelance? We have websites like Fiverr, we have Upwork, we have a lot of them. Just write on your browser or your Google freelancers. You see a lot of freelancing. You're going to see a lot of options where you can just offer your services. No, you don't need to go from office to office physically. It's just online. You sit in the comfort of your home, you make those applications, and then you freelance and they pay you every day, every hour. It's not even every day, every hour. They pay every hour. Another thing, another model is, apart from freelancing, you have content creation. Do you love to create content? I advise people to create content because I just feel, I think I know, I don't just feel, I know that our God is a content creator. Yes, because he created the world, right? So I feel like we, his children, should also create, because he says that he who believes in me will do greater works than I do. So I believe and I wish that a lot of people can be content creators. There's money in content creating. I've not started any yet, but because I have the skill, I have a passion for content creating, it's another way to make money online. Another thing is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Do you want to do affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a situation where you help someone sell their goods, their digital products. It's not physically, it's not stressful. I'm going to show you how to do it. If you want me to make a detailed video about affiliate marketing, because that's another booming sector on the internet right now. Most people are doing it and they're earning a lot from it. You just recommend somebody else's product and then you earn a commission from recommending. Like, there are links to other products. You don't need to create. What I love about affiliate marketing is you don't need to be the creator of that product, right? Somebody else created that product, but just because you love it, you can pick a link on that product and attach it to any of your social media platforms. Anybody that clicks on that link and buys that product, you get a commission. It's very easy. You don't need to stress yourself. You only need just to recommend other people to buy this. Ah, it's nice, buy it. Click this link, buy it. That's all. And you earn from it. Digital products and courses. What is that your passion? You can turn it into a digital product and then sell it online as an ebook or a course or a workshop. Yeah, so this is another way to earn passive income. Very easy. Do you love to cook? Create a book about cooking. Catering made easy is a book. How to make puff puff is a book. How to make chicken, nice chicken, crunchy, is a book. How to, anything you love, just write a book about it. Do you love to talk about marriage? Write a book about marriage and sell. What do you love? A lot. Yeah. So you can create digital products around your passion, around your skill, sell a course, and people are going to buy. If you need details about all these things I'm telling you, just let me know, and I'll make a separate video to show you detail how you can go about it. And the fourth one I'm going to be teaching you is the tools. Because after you have the skill, after you've identified what you want to do, after you have chosen the money making model, how you want to make money, either you want to freelance, you want to create content, you want to do affiliate marketing, or sell digital products and courses, what do you need? How do you need? How are you going to go about all this? You need tools, and I'm going to share with you the tools that you need to be able to make money online in 2025. It's supposed to be a different video entirely, but because I'm teaching how to make money, I'll just include the tools that you need to be able to make this money in 2025. One, you need Canva. First of all, before that Canva, you need a smartphone, which I know you already have because you're watching me through your phone. Maybe even if you're watching me through your television, you also have a phone, right? So you don't need so much. You don't need capital to start all this. You don't need nothing. All you need is just your phone, a stable internet, and just know how to do it. Also, ChatGPT can also help you a lot by generating ideas. Anytime you lack ideas, just enter ChatGPT, ask it anything that you need, and it's going to give you the answers. Okay. I've mentioned, and then if you're a content creator and you want to edit your videos, you can use CapCut, which is what I basically use for editing my videos. I use CapCut to edit my videos. So basically, if you want to make money online in 2025, these are the money making skills that you need, and these are the tools that you need. So if you find this video helpful, just click on the subscribe button, and also on the notification bell. Like this video, share it, because we want to help a lot of people to break through from poverty. And this is the social media has been a great tool for doing this, a very big platform for doing this, and I do not take it for granted. So please share this video to a friend. Everybody needs this. Not everybody knows it. So let's be kind enough to share the video, okay? Meanwhile, I'll be waiting for your comments. I'll be replying to each comment I see. I love you so much. Thank you for taking time to watch this video to this point. I hope you have liked and subscribed. So see you in my next video. See you at the top. Let's make this money together.